Okay, welcome to the next lecture on React.js. In this lecture, we'll be creating complex complex few more elements. Inside a div, we have created one h1 tag. Inside h1, we are printing hello world. And we'll be creating inside a div, one more div we will create. Under div, we will create few components. Create it instead of giving direct HTML value, we'll be giving array of React elements. We'll use through React, we will create few more elements, HTML elements. Copy this one here instead of h1 as we discussed, it will be div. Okay, let's keep it as a div and more. Here we'll print hello world. Hello world. Check the output now. Under the main div, there was one more div component. Inside that, we have h1 tag. And I will create one more sibling to this h1. I'll create h2, comma, create. We are giving array of components under this div. Under this div, we are creating array of components. This is called h2 tag. Head h2, hello world h2. Just print this one and see. Hello world h2. Inspect this. Yeah, main div. This is the main div. Inside that we have child div, and we have h1 h2. H1 h2 are siblings. Next, what we will do, instead of printing this hard-coded value, changing it to dynamic template. I'm creating a template now. To create template, you have to use backticks. It is present under below escape button. We have to click this one, backticks. Under escape. Okay, under escape, this key is present. Today date. New the date. Dollar. Tell this no date. And new date and execute this. It's printing the today's date now. Okay, it is printing. And instead of printing this value, let me print in local user local that to local local string. These are all the JavaScript functions. Don't get confused or anything. This is date is present in JavaScript. If I take this one as it is and execute in console, control V, let me take new date. It's print new date dot to local string. Call this function. It is printing in for desired format to local string. Let me execute this one. It's printing user the desired format. We can easily understand this format. Okay, what we have done in this lecture, we have created a main component. Under the main component, we have created h1 tag and h2 tag, and these two tags we are appending under this main app tag. Check again, you can see all this output. Main tag remain. This is a small div. Say that hello and h2 date. Thanks friends.